I decided to make another Christmas lamp this year. So of course I started by drilling the hole in the bottle. As you can see, constantly wetting the bottle, and that's to ensure that there wasn't too much friction with heat. That way the bottle won't break. The less the bottle vibrates, the less chance of it breaking. So you keep it wet.
Then the bottle.
Wash the bottle. Rinse out
don't want to
the
have
glass
any
in it.
glass.
And then I put it aside to dry.
I don't like
24 hours.
I don't know if they deal with that,
I
but
use the dishwasher to wash the bottles. I want to make sure the glass comes out of it.
then I
But I just put it in there to dry. In the dishwasher. I don't wash it in there, I just put it in there to dry. These things are too long. So I'm gonna glue them a little higher. Whoa, that was too much. Scheiße, that was too much. Too much came out on that. Too much came out and it didn't do, it's not working. So maybe it would have been better to use a glue gun. I don't know. Let that dry a bit, Max. I'm not sure what color this is. I'll have to check it out. Oh yeah, these are the colors. These are the ones we're using. This already dried. There you go. See. All right. Trying to put the grommet in. Let me see. Where put the camera in. Let's angle it down a bit. Yep, that seems to be in there. There we go. Oh no, wait. You tricked me. There. Okay. There we go. Grommet's in. Whoa. Now we'll feed the lights in. Okay, you see where it thickens a bit. So we're now I gotta figure out. I'm gonna use command strips for the battery. Make sure not to cover the screw. I'll make sure that we choose the right spot before. So I'll put it right there. Okay. All right. So now we want to, I want to, try to curve this. I want this to go around inside the bottle. I don't don't think I'll be able to do it the way I envision it. But I can do just a little bit. That's fine. Let's see how can we do this. I don't think it's working. Let's see. Getting this to look the way I want to is probably gonna be the hardest part. All right. Oh my God. I'm a little worried about putting too much, but we'll see. Now what I'm trying to do is just get it in the circle, get in the gap. Hope it dries up quick. This is different material. Well, is it different material? It looks like a different material than the one from last year. But okay, it came out a little crooked. Okay, but it's already dried up. It's already in place. It's a little simpler than I wanted it, or I planned it. But to be honest, I think it still came out pretty good. What do you think?